Hi friends, welcome back to Inspo English. I'm Xavier KS, your English teacher. Friends, today I'm here with a new topic and that is non-finite verbs. Before coming to non-finite verbs, I think you should have an idea of what is finite verb so that it will be easier to understand what is a non-finite verb. A finite verb is the one which is changed or changes its form, according to the subject, whether it is singular or plural. So according to the subject, its number and person and also the tense of the verb. Let's see a few examples. I think that will be very clear. Let me repeat. A finite verb is the one which changes its form according to the subject, its person and number, and the tense of the verb. Let's see a few examples. So, finite verb is limited by person and number and tense. That means verb changes form according to the person and number of the subject and tense of the verb. Example, see. He goes to market. Here subject is he. And that is third person singular. Okay, third person singular. I have noted it here. Subject third person singular. What about the verb? Simple present. We have used the yes form of the verb as the subject is third person singular. Okay, goes. He goes to market. Now coming to the second, the subject is third person plural. They went to market. Here you see the subject is different and tense is different. Subject is third person plural and verb is simple past tense. This went, gone. So simple past tense. That means the verb changed its form according to the subject and the tense of the verb. Coming to the third example, we go to market. Here it is first person plural, we, then verb is simple present. We go to market. That means according to the subject, the form of the verb changes and to the number and person of the subject. Okay, I think you got an idea of what is a finite verb. A finite verb is the one which changes its form according to the subject, its number and person and the tense of the verb. Now let's go to the non-finite verb. What's a non-finite verb? Just the opposite of it, of non-finite verbs. What is that? See, the verb is not changed or the verb doesn't change its form according to the subject, its person and number and tense. That means there will be a finite verb. When there is a non-finite verb, of course there will be a finite verb. So the non-finite verb doesn't change its form according to the subject, its person, number and tense. I think it's clear. Let's go to the example and it will be clearer to you. Okay, non-finite verbs, not limited. That means not changed, not influenced, not restricted by the person and number of the subject or tense of the verb. See the example. He, this is third person singular. We have used the finite verb once according to the nature of the subject. But to go to market. See, he wants to go to market. This remains the same, whatever may be the subject. Let's go to the other two examples. They want to go to market. Want is changed because it's a finite verb and it changes its form according to the nature of the subject. That is, whether it is first person, second person or third person, and whether it is singular or plural, and the tense of the verb. But here you see, to go to market, to go, that doesn't change. So coming to the third one, we want to go to market. Here we, that is first person plural, want to go to market. There also to go to market, that doesn't get changed. So we can say to go in these three sentences. To go is a non-finite verb. Okay, I hope it's clear to you. Then there are three kinds of non-finite verbs. They are the infinitive. Infinitive means 2 plus verb, or even without 2 plus verb, it can be, that we will come later. Then the second one, participle, that means ing form of the verb. Then gerund, that is verbal noun. These are the three kinds of non-finite verbs: the infinitive, the participle, and the gerund or verbal noun. Now let's come to the first one, that is the infinitive, the first kind of non-finite verbs. And see, an infinitive can further be subdivided or classified as to infinitive, bare infinitive, passive infinitive. These are the three kinds of infinitives. Okay, or infinitive is classified as to infinitive, bare infinitive, passive infinitive. To infinitive means 2 plus verb. Bare infinitive means infinitive used without to, bare. Okay, then passive infinitive means the passive form of the verb is used to form the infinitive. Now coming to the details of to infinitive. What are the uses of to infinitive? I think I can wind up this session with the explanation of the uses of to infinitive. 1. As a noun to form subject of a sentence. That means a to infinitive can be used as the subject of a verb. Subject of a sentence. Subject of a verb means subject of a sentence. As a noun to form the subject of a sentence. To err is human and to forgive is divine. Here, to err, that is a to infinitive, to err, that means to commit mistakes. To err is human and to forgive is divine. This is an old saying, very meaningful. To err is human and to forgive. Again, to forgive, that is another infinitive, and here in both part of these sentences, it's a compound sentence. There are two clauses. To err is human, to forgive is divine, connected by and in both these clauses, to err forms the, and to forgive form the subject of the sentence. Another use of to infinitive is as object of a transitive verb. You know what's a transitive verb? Transitive verb means a verb that takes an object. Okay, so it's understood as object of a transitive verb. I like to play. What? The answer is obviously cricket. So cricket is the, to play cricket. I like, question should come here, okay. I like what? To play cricket. So to play cricket, to play is the verb here, that is the to infinitive. It is used as the object of the transitive verb I like. Like is the verb, okay. I like what? To play cricket. So to play is the object of the transitive verb like, and it is a to infinitive. And coming to the third use, as a complement of a subject. As a complement of a subject. It is time to sleep. It is time to sleep as a complement. Complement means something is something that does the work of completing the sense of the sentence. If I say it is time, it's incomplete, isn't it? Time for what? Automatically the question comes. So it is time to sleep. For what? To sleep. So this to sleep, again, to infinitive, and that is used as the complement of the subject. What is the subject here? We are speaking about time. Time is the subject, and it completes the meaning of the subject time, and it is to sleep. For what? To sleep. Complements, completes the sense. So these are the three important, there are a few more uses, but these are the three important uses of to infinitive. And I think I can wind up this session here, and we will go to the uses of the participle and gerund, etc. in the next session. Hope you enjoyed this session. I'm sure it will be very useful to you, and we will meet again in another video very soon. Till then, goodbye and thank you.